expertise.
Hi Peter, it's great to be here.
The lineups, we can have a look at them now. So it's away we go then. An early chance, their first of the game.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort. Well, that should set them on their way and get into a nice rhythm. The early signs are very encouraging now.
Has a swing at it! Good clearance and very necessary. No question that's a foul. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. Away from immediate danger. Oh, no, that's not the ball he wanted. They've managed to get it away. Clears it out of harm's way. Cuts it out. Spoon forward. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Oh, good interception. Looks to slip it through. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Who's going to make this theirs? Whistle's gone, that's a foul. Tries a through ball. Great ball, now the shot! Oh, great save, real class.
Oh, much more than a routine save for me, and yet he just coped with room to spare.
Has a hit! It's missed, but not by that far.
Well, if he hopes to do better than that, he's got to work on his technique and his timing. The contact wasn't right there, so there wasn't much chance of success.
He put on quite a show there.
It's tremendous play on his part, Peter, and he's proving to be a right handful throughout the game.
And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. It's come loose. Aimed long and direct. And he's made sure that that won't get through. Brings it forward. Into the channel. And out to safety. That's not going to make it. That's gone a long way up and away. Now the pass. Pumps it upfield. Now here's the through ball. One! And he's done it! What about that, Jim Beglin?
Well, I think the keeper has every reason to rip into that defence for allowing him to get into such a good position.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
Well read, he sorted that out. Looks like a good ball through. Passes it through. Tries a through ball. Goes for goal! And the follow-up! Danger averted for now. Now the pass. Ball through needs to be good here. Now can he finish? Back of the net! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight! He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Well, he made it obvious as to where the pass should be played, Peter, and it made the finish look that bit easier. Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Is it in? Well, that's caused a worry or two.
Oh, he couldn't have hit that any better. Any other time it would have sneaked in.
Oh, that's great stuff from him.
I would agree. It's tremendous play. He's full of belief and imagination and hard to contain.
Well, it did look promising to start with, but in the end they were thwarted before they could even make it into the final third. And the defence can get it clear. And we've reached half-time. Any strong opinions on the first half?
Well, I think it was a bang-bang 45 minutes. That quick-fire double has left their opponents a little muddled, and they can't allow this 15-minute break now to cause a switching off.
A half of massive entertainment and excitement. A 2-goal margin, yes, but all things still possible. Luisao. Looks like a good ball through. Looks to slip it through. Tries a long pass towards the front. He'll have a dip! They are rampant! And the lead is 3! It is surely done!
Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. 3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. They are working very hard to get it wide now, Jim.
Yeah, that's true.
And is that how you're seeing it?
Yeah, I think they've decided to concentrate on working the flanks.
It's there! More and more and more and more! They are running riot! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Brought forward. What does he try from here? Pumps it upfield. Pushes it out wide.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Spoon forward. Plays it out to the flank. Now here's the through ball. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, Peter, and it looks like this defence will go tooth and nail to prevent him from getting another.
And he's straight offside.
Oh, I tell you, only just. It was well spotted.
Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Passes it through. Now here's the through ball. Driving on now, what can they conjure from here? Now the pass. Plays it out to the wing. Hits one! Goal! And again, they pile on the misery.
It's part of the game, Peter. It has to get ruthless. Sympathy just doesn't play a part.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Closing in on the last quarter of an hour. Luisao. Looks like a good ball through. Tries a through ball. Chance! And he's onside! Defence has got rid of that. Did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Well, that's surely a foul, free kick. Looks like a good ball through. Really well taken goal. This is as ruthless as it gets.
Well, I think we've gone past humiliation now. This could be doing some real psychological damage.
He's made it two, and no doubt he's hungry for more. Luisao. It was long and forward. Good idea, just poorly executed. Played out to the right. Gets it back. The final 5 minutes. Aimed long and direct. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Out wide to the right. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Looks to slip it through. It's in! Well, that always looked the likely outcome.
I just think it's clever positioning from clever movement, and when all of that is synchronised with the right pass, that's what happens.
Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Time added on, 4 minutes. Now the pass. He's had a shot! He has done it! Well, just another one to add to what has already been an incredible haul.
Yeah, and by the looks of it, there may be still more to come.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
Gets good distance on it. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. So that's it, it is all over. Demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. Well, after all...